Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Lil Split from Fortnite OG. Let's go in at the top. Just going to do his quiff, kind of cream hair that he has. So I'm just going to do a line around and up to the top like that. Then let's just join that up at the bottom, sort of do the rest of his quiff hair. So it's like a curve up from there, down. And then let's just do a little sort of curve and around, like a little wave like that. Join that up. Great. Let's pop a little cherry on the top of his head. So we're just going to do a little part circle just here. Nice, okay. And there's a bit of sort of chocolate area going on there as well. So just pop a little couple of curves there. Let's pop a line in here for the stalk of the cherry. Just make it a little bit longer at the end at the top there. That's like the hair area of him. For his head, I'm going to do two curved lines going around. So it's like a banana-y head that's a bit curved. So I'm going to start here where we've got this little gap here, and maybe just bring it down to about there. So just draw a little curve like that. And then the same here, it's going to draw a curve to about here from sort of that area. So draw a curve like that. Nice, we've got that kind of curvy look of a banana going on. Let's look at his jacket. I think we want to have his jacket going down to about here and say about here. So from those two little markers, I'm going to do a curve around to his lower part of his neck. So just do a little curve like that. This side we're going to do the opposite way, so it's going to do a curve in and up to there. All right. It's got a little circular badge here, so I'm just going to put a circle there. Okay. And then let's just do his collar. So I'm going to do like a curve that goes out towards the back of his neck there. So just from the top of that circle, curve out in like that. Nice big sort of fluffy marshmallow collar or cream collar that he's got. Same thing on this side. So maybe we'll start here at the neck, go down, and then just sort of go in and out. It's kind of quite wavy. And we're just going to join up, kind of like match that area here. So just do a little line in like that. That's cool. Okay. Let's do the bottom of his jacket. So just a line out here and a line out here. And we're just going to match that up to, let's go up here to a bit of a curve, but up to circle there. And then I'm just going to go do a curve up to about there for him, that part there. So the edges of his sort of body warmer jacket bit here. So I'm just going to do like a little kind of oblong just to show that's the edge of his jacket. Same on this side. Just do a little oblong there. Nice, okay. Let's pop his legs in. So his legs are going to go, I think, from about here to here. So let's, sort of from the edge of his jacket really, let's move that down to about there. Then the other part of his leg goes up to there. Another line down, like so. And then let's join that up from about there to there. Great, okay. Let's put his trouser line in. So two curved lines. 1, 2, like that. It's looking good. Let's do his arms. So two lines down to around about the bottom of his jacket. Okay, so start about there and then just do a cool little line down there. And the same thing again. Cool little line like that. Same on this side. Cool little line there and a line like that. Okay, it's kind of got little cuff areas, so I'm just going to draw like a little squares in like that on his arms. Then he's kind of got gloves, so what I do with his hands here, I'm just going to do a thumb area like curves out like that, little hook, and then do the same thing again but a bit bigger, just to have his sort of fists kind of clenched up like that. And then we're just going to do a line that curves around like that and that for there. Okay. Let's just do his trainers. He's got like 3 pronged sort of creamy marshmallow bits at the bottom there. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, like that. Draw the rest of his shoe out. So just move out like that, curve in, do the heel up. Same on the other side. So we're going to curve out, down, around, and heel up. It's got like 3 chunky laces either side, so 1, 2, 3, and then here 1, 2, 3. It's kind of got a bit of a sort of pattern going on there, so I'm just going to do a curve around like that, and then there's a circle in the middle there, and a circle in the middle there. And if I just kind of edge that area there, fill that in, that's excellent. All right, nice. It's got a waffle jacket, so just gonna put a couple of lines like that, a couple of lines like that, and then do the same on the other side. Kind of shows it's a bit of a waffly jacket going on. And then his eyes, so 2 round sort of ovals going on here. So 1 like that, and then 1 like that. Put another circle in there, okay? And that's going to be the light bouncing off. And then just colour that in. Okay, that's doing pretty well. I am going to put a smile in because I'm fairly happy with this picture. So put a smile in like that. Then we've got all the basic elements there of Lil Split. So let's get colouring. First of all, let's get, I would say, a darker blue. And the darker blue, we can do some of the sprinkles. Now, one of his sprinkles is an eyebrow. So let's get some character going on there with an eyebrow. And then we're just going to put a couple of little sprinkles in here. And a couple of little sprinkles on him there. That's all the dark blue that we need to do. Next up, get a lighter blue. This element here is coloured in, so let's give that a bit of colour on there. Just leave a little bit of white, so the light bouncing off it. Then let's sort his trousers out. So actually, it's just going to get red there. Pop a red just for the other eyebrow. And then he has got some other sprinkles, so let's just get those sorted. Like some little sprinkle elements like that. And of course a cherry, so I'm just going to put a little circle there. Just show the light bouncing off that cherry at the top. And that's all the red we need. Let's go back to that lighter blue then. We can now fill his trousers in, which is good. So just going to fill those in like this. And just go around those sprinkle areas that we had. Leave a little gap there around these. Okay, cool, great. All right, that's the lighter blue done. Now let's get a nice sort of vibrant sort of popping purple. It's got like a little line bit here going here with the badge. Might be like part of his like little rosette or something. So just pop that there. Fill in around the hands. Okay, I'm just going to leave a little bit of white on that side. Like that. Just pop in the trainers there. That's cool. There we go. Like that. Actually, just think on his trainers, just pop back to that lighter blue. Just put a little bit of lighter blue on around there. Nice, okay. Let's now get a kind of sort of creamy colour to do the skin. So like his banana-y kind of look. So I'm just going to do a line up like that. A line up like that. Okay. And then just do his body. So just going to give us the like, flavour of that banana going on. Like that. Just a little bit. I'm showing that he's a bit of a banana-y colour going on there. Alright, another little line like that. That's cool. Now let's get a little darker brown, and I'm just going to put a couple of lines in just along here, sort of to show that in a part of that banana. Put that up there. Just a few little lines, kind of just to show that kind of texture of him. And then there's kind of a bit of chocolate going on at the top, bit up here as well, so pop a couple of bits there. Then we've got his jacket. So with his jacket, just gonna fill those bits in like that. It's kind of like the waffly jacket that you've got. That's cool. And then just go back to that lighter blue. I'm just going to fill in that sort of band area on his trousers. Maybe I'll just leave a little bit of white there. That's quite cool. And then maybe what I'll do is just get a little bit of a lighter grey, and we're just going to put a bit of shadow in. So let's try that other side. Just a little bit of an idea of sort of shadow going on just on the white bits, just around his jacket. Just a little bit here and a little bit here. Put bits there, and then just around on his laces and things. Maybe just colour that part in down the bottom there. Yeah, that's cool. Looking good. Around here. Nice. Okay, and then let's pop in. What should we do? Bit of a purpley blue background maybe. Let's get purple. Just ground him a little bit on that flooring. So just put a couple of lines in like that. Just gives it that nice kind of purpley pop. Nice one. All right. Then what I'll do is get that red pen, and I'm just going to write Lil Split. And that's Lil Split on Art Draw. Thanks for watching.